Hello guys, and welcome back to Remote Learning. Today we're going to work with these two sight words. And the first sight word is I, and the second one is see. I is just the letter I, and see is spelled S-E-E. Say it with me. S-E-E spells see. And we're going to build some sentences with these words. I see cats. Read it with me. I see cats. Do you see how I point at each word as I read? When you read a sentence, each word is separated by a space. So don't forget to add that. Let's change the sentence. What do you think this says? Let's read it together. I see bugs. So cute. What else can we write? What do you think that says? Let's read it together. I see rain. Do you like the rain? Sometimes I do. Let's see what else we can write. What do you think that says? We're going to use this item. So remember to say what it is when you read the sentence. I see chips. Yum. Do you like chips? How about this? What do you see now? Read the sight words. I see scissors. Don't forget, be safe when you use these. What else can I add to this sentence? How about this? Think about what it might say. These are markers. Let's read them from the beginning. I see markers. Oh, I know. Everybody likes these. Candy. I see candy. I think I'm gonna eat one.